April 2020 real estate market update. Okay, so I was here just last month talking about strengthening contracts, and we were talking about multiple offers and writing subject-free offers. And we were talking about how busy the marketplace is because we were seeing such high numbers month over month, and it really was quite busy last month and the previous month. Well, oh boy, what a difference in just a couple of weeks. The new numbers are out, and of course, because of COVID-19, there are absolutely new measures that we have to take in order to accommodate showings and to accommodate our consumers who need real estate help. But I'll get into the numbers and I'll explain that a little bit more as well. Okay, so the average price right now for a condo, apartment, loft for the average condo in Vancouver is $687,000. That's only up slightly from last month. Last month was $677 or $675, so still up slightly. The average price right now for a detached house property is $1,450,000. That's $1,450,000. And the average price for a townhouse, 2-bedroom, is $791,000. Overall, prices are still up sales are still up about 46.1, 46.2% compared to this time last year in 2019. And when you look at the sales compared to last month in each category, condos, townhouses, houses, the numbers actually are all still slightly up over last month. But it's really important to understand that the charts and the numbers that we are looking at, they are a reflection of the market sort of numbers and the real estate, but the last 2 weeks have been considerably different because of the pandemic that we're experiencing. So it'll be very interesting to see the numbers next month. We are watching the sales very closely and will report any, of course, significant changes with the marketplace. But as of right now, we haven't seen any major price corrections or whatnot because it's too soon to tell. But when it comes to sort of over to condos and showings and whatnot, the BC government has actually sort of called BC real estate an essential service. So some of our clients and some of our friends may very well need real estate services, and they may very well have to, buy or sell a property. And we realtors, we're doing everything we possibly can to follow the guidelines, and we're following the strict rules. We're wearing gloves, and we're sanitizing, of course, the light switches and the door handles throughout the viewings. We're connecting with our clients prior to viewings online via apps, which are fabulous. I'm sure you've all heard of Zoom and WhatsApp, and there's all kinds of online apps that we're using to chat and discuss and talk about, questions about the whole process. But of course, the big challenge, for the consumers are, inspections and what to do about showings and whatnot. We do have ways, we have virtual ways to show people online videos of properties. We can attend an inspection if we keep within 6 to 7 feet of one another, and we are taking all necessary precautions to do everything properly. So we can help you if you do have real estate needs. These sort of virtual showings and these FaceTime sort of actual showings that we're using our cameras on our iPhones to use, they're phenomenal. So we can navigate the showings quite safely and securely, and we are following all the guidelines. If you do have any questions about sort of what do we think is going to happen next month, or if you did have real estate plans to sell later in the year, give us a call and we can talk about things in a little bit more detail. But this is more or less just a short video to say, those are the new numbers. We are looking forward to seeing the numbers for April. And if you have any questions about how to view a property, or if you wanted to discuss a presentation or an evaluation presentation, I should say, we do have the technology now that's helping us move forward. We can discuss things online via over chat like this, and via Zoom and so on and so forth. So hope everyone is keeping safe. I look forward to delivering the stats for next month.